Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this mini label printer. Alright, so today we received our label printer. This printer is offered in several different colors. I have the pink one. They also offer in black, green, gray, orange, and white. So first off right here you have the quick start guide. This is basically tells you how to set it up, how to use it. So this is not like any other printer. This is actual a thermal printer. So you do not need any ink or toner. You just turn it on and it prints out. So this portable label maker comes with 3 rolls. So the roll size that fits in this label maker is 40 by 30 millimeter, but it has a roll size from 20 millimeters all the way up to 80 millimeters. So you do get a Type-C charging cable. Unfortunately, there is no block, but I already have some around my house, and I also use a power bank. So you can see that this is super lightweight. It is nice and small. It is easy to take on the go. So this is the M220. This can print barcodes, QR codes, any little labels. So the label is right there at the top. You've got the power. You've got the label button here at the bottom. See, and on the side, they have the charging port right here. So in order to expose the label part, all you got to do is pull the sides right here up and it should expose the labels. And it automatically comes with labels, but if you want to replace them, you can replace them with labels from 20 millimeters up to 80 millimeters. So this is adjustable. You can see that this is the label maker, so you just got to rip this piece off, slide it down, and it should automatically print. So this is a nice label maker. I like the fact that it is digital. It does have a power button right here, and it does come with a charging power. It is super nice and cute. So what I'm going to do is remove this little plastic, and I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to print out a couple little labels to show you how easy it is to print. So to turn it on, you got to push and hold the power button, and it'll say no paper. So you'll have to open up the dispenser part, and you'll have to pull the paper down. So you can see the battery indicator. This one right here is fully charged. So we're just going to pop this out. We're going to grab this one side. It's easy to remove. You just switch it back and forth right here and just pop it off. Now that we got the little sticker off, we're just going to put it back into the printer, and then we're going to download the app. So the app is right here. It's called Print Master. I have an iPhone, so I'm going to download it from the App Store. You can also download it from the Google Store. So now as we got it installed, we need to add the printer. So you'll just click on the plus button. We're going to click on this right here, add the printer. It is connecting to my phone. So now that it does have connection to the printer, we're going to skip all this, click on next, label maker, printer maker, scan. You got PDF printing, templates. So I'm just going to click on the template, and then we're going to pick on the label. Make sure you have the right label size. So this is 40 by 30 millimeter. That's what's already in there. And then we're going to continue. And it says double tap to edit. So we're going to go and type in something in here. So once you double tap it, you can put your own text in there. So I'm just going to put in my text here. It is super easy, and then once you do it, you can set it to make it longer, smaller, shorter, taller. So I'm just going to put it right here in the middle, so it'll go into the middle of my label, and then we're going to go ahead and click on continue. And then it'll say size. You can change the font, you can change the size, the color. So I'm just going to go and say okay. Now we're going to click on the printer and wait for it to print out. So you can see that it is printed out. It says a really super nice label. I like the fact that it is nice and lightweight. If you're looking for a nice label maker, I would highly recommend checking this one out.